The ultimate guide to essential lesson plan types for new teachers. Hey there, future educators. Welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you become the best teacher you can be. Today, we're diving into the world of lesson plans, the backbone of effective teaching. Whether you're a teacher candidate or just curious about the education field, this video is for you. Let's face it, planning lessons can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to break down the most common types of lesson plans used from pre-K to 12th grade. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the 6 most common lesson plan types and when to use them. First up, let's talk about the direct instruction lesson plan. This is probably the most familiar type, where the teacher leads the class through new material step by step. Here's a scenario. Imagine Mrs. Johnson teaching her 3rd graders about graphs. She starts by explaining the concept, demonstrates examples on the board, and then guides students through practice problems. Next, we have the inquiry-based lesson plan. This type encourages students to explore and discover concepts on their own. Let's think about this scenario. Picture Mr. Garcia's 7th grade science class investigating the factors affecting plant growth. Students design their own experiments, make hypotheses, and draw conclusions from their observations. Moving on to cooperative learning lesson plans. These focus on group work and peer interaction to enhance understanding. Let's think about this scenario. In Ms. Patel's high school English class, students work in small groups to analyze different aspects of a novel, then present their findings to the class. Now, let's explore the project-based lesson plan, which involves long-term, interdisciplinary projects that often solve real-world problems. Think about this scenario. Mrs. Rodriguez's 5th grade class spends a month researching local environmental issues and creating proposals to address them, culminating in a presentation to City Council members. Next up is the differentiated instruction lesson plan, which caters to various learning styles and abilities within a single classroom. Here's our scenario. In Mr. Chen's 2nd grade math class, students work on addition problems at different levels of difficulty, with some using manipulatives while others solve word problems. Last, we have the flipped classroom lesson plan, where students learn new content at home and practice in class. Here's our scenario. Dr. Smith's biology students watch video lectures at home, then come to class ready to engage in discussions and hands-on lab experiments. Remember, the best teachers often mix and match these lesson plan types to keep their classes engaging and effective. As you gain experience, you'll develop a sense of which types work best for different subjects and student groups. We hope this overview has given you a foundation for understanding the 6 main lesson types that you will find in your classroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, future teachers, keep learning, keep growing, and get ready to inspire the next generation.